The government had sat for a discussion today on the measures that will be taken due to the IMD warnings as far as disaster management is concerned. But a surprising turn of events has happened wherein a landslide had occurred in Upper Lachimia near Haga Hotel, wherein the cause of the landslide is not known, but as per sources, this incident had happened at around 10:30 at night, and authorities are on to see to it that there is no cause of traffic jam, that the flow of traffic is smooth in this particular area, and also help is on the way to to clear off the debris that has fallen from that has resulted from the landslide. Till the filing of this report, the cause of the landslide is not known. We'll come up with more news on the same. With camera person Refulgent Khanayar, this is Bethlehem Dakar for Media Plus.